I never thought I will ever say this anymore, but here we are. There is a chance that 3ds Max could, after 10 years, get a proper update. What? Hey fellow animators, I'm You Shoud Do. Okay, like I've said, CAD might finally get some updates and major bug fixes, but let's not get our hopes up too much. I will explain. Big part in all this goes also to you guys. If you saw my last video and if you watched it to the end, which is only 36% of you, yes, I know this because YouTube is always watching.
Always the great eye watching.
Golem's watching, Great Eyes watching, everybody's watching, just not my videos. Well, anyway, to the end of the video, I have mentioned that you should go to the Autodesk official site and vote for CAD getting an update. You can still do that and the link is below this video also. But a lot of you already did vote and the post got to the front page of the list already. That's amazing. It was on the end of the second page before with only 98 votes. So a lot of thanks goes to you guys as well. And because that last video did pretty well and got shared a bit over the social media too, which again is thanks to you, it also got to Sean Olson. He contacted me afterwards and also wrote on my Discord server. Sean Olson is a product owner for animation in 3ds Max, so he is our Pokemon of choice from now on. However, let me emphasize that he emphasized that I should emphasize that there are no promises and this is still just a possibility. But even though it's a lot of emphasizing, it's still more than we had in the last 10 years. That's 10,010. You know, 10,010, that's when this was on the radio. Okay, so he mentioned that there are no promises regarding what they will do with CAD, and that they are currently in an information collection mode regarding CAD's bugs and issues. So manage your expectations. They are asking for the biggest issues animators have working with CAD, and he specifically mentioned that the focus is on defects, meaning bugs and issues, rather than new features. But you already know that because you are on my Discord server, so what am I even doing here? Keep in mind it's just bugs for now. I too have 10,000 things I would like CAD to have a possibility to do, but this is just about the bugs so far. Yes, but that is still better than during the time since we listened to this. I'm not afraid. I didn't, you did. So in my opinion, this means that we will not get one single giant CAD update where all the gods come down from the earth and install 3ds Max into your PC. It will probably be few fixes we will get here and there over time. However, and this is the important part, it seems like Autodesk is trying to do something with 3ds Max last few years, and even CAD got few fixes in the last updates. So we as a community also have a voice, and you don't want some guy with a crush on Chamfer to overrule and outshine you. We have to speak up as well. CAD has a problem that a lot of people are actually using it, but there are almost no discussions about it. Even this old stupid guy is talked over more than CAD is. So go and spread some CAD love. Character Animation Toolkit love, not the animal. Jesus. So I have started to write up a list of CAD bugs that I know of or that others have told me about. It's on many places now though. You can find it on my website, link below the video. You can find it on 3ds Max beta forums. But the best way to add something to the list is to join my Discord server. The list is there also, but as a bonus you can discuss all things about CAD with more than 300 people there. I will keep adding stuff to that list when I will have time and if I will have time, so I also encourage you to join the Autodesk beta and discuss the issues there. There are several threads there for that already. So let me or Autodesk know about any bugs you know of and they might even get fixed, believe it or not. Okay, that's it. This was just a quick video. Have a nice day or weekend or quarantine or whatever. Alright, I'm You Shoud Do and thank you for watching, of course.